I'm feeling my natural hair. I don't know how crusty I look on camera right now, but I mean. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Yetunde. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you want to like stick around and like get to know me a little bit, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and also turn on your notifications just so you can see when I'm like uploading and stuff. You know, we're gonna get real fun on this channel, real lit, real fuego. I'm trying to see, I was trying to use like something other than like lit, because like everybody uses lit. So today's look, I'm really trying to give y'all this like glowy, like dewy summertime fun. Today I'm gonna be like using some new products that I got from Makeup Shayla and ColourPop and Patrick Star. So I'm really excited to like show you guys this look. It was really off the whim. I'm really trying to focus on like getting dewy skin down and like glowy makeup down. I feel like I have the whole matte beat drag type of thing down. I'm trying to like switch it up. And it's summertime, so why not? Who wouldn't want a dewy look? Who wouldn't want it? If you guys like this video, please comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. If you have any like advice for dewy skin looks, please let me know. It's kind of tricky because I have oily, like normal to oily skin. So for me to do dewy, it's kind of like tricky because like I want to still get my matte like sealant, but when it comes to like the look, you know, I want it to look dewy. I'm feeling like dewy right now. I'm feeling like very dewy. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you thumbs it up. Like thumbs this motherfucker up. Let's go squad. Let's go. Let's just grow together. Let's see where this goes. Let's like build this relationship. And if you guys really like this video, be sure to like it and comment and subscribe to my channel, and then like we're gonna keep building and growing together, you know. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you like this like dewy like glow that I got going on. Like, I hope you guys like this because I love it, and I hope that you guys are gonna love it too. I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much and enjoy. All right, so start off my makeup. I just take a Pampers baby wipe right here that you could get at Walmart, Target, your local grocery store. And I just use this to kind of like wipe whatever excess oils I got going on my face. What I'm gonna start off with is my ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil. So usually I used to get the MAC spiked eyebrow pencil, but like it's honestly expensive. This is really expensive. This is my dupe, and I like continue to use this. The color is Bangin' Brunette. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. Whenever I do my eyebrows, I start from the middle area, and I just lightly draw a line to the back on both sides. You guys know when you're sketching, lightly brush back and forth. So I kind of lightly brush the front, and then I like draw straight strokes. Okay, I went too far with that. Lightly brush back and forth. So I kind of lightly brush the front, and then I like draw straight strokes. Okay, I went too far with that. But I just draw straight strokes up, and then I go back. So my eyebrow looks like on this side, and then my eyebrow on this side. Next, I'm going to be taking my Beholder L Beauty. Like, this is a brow brush for like actual brow powder, but I love using it for my concealer. So the concealer I'm going to be using is this LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I start from the middle, and I draw a line back. Start in the middle, and I bring it back. My beauty blender has been going through a lot. So I like to take my beauty blender by Real Techniques, because I just like raise my eyebrows up and I press it on where I put my concealer. So I like to use the MAC Pro Conceal palette in medium deep. I'm gonna mix NW 43 and NC 42. And it's necessary. I'm just taking NC 45 from this palette, and I'm putting it all over my lid. After I put my like concealer on top of my eyelid, I'm gonna take this like, I don't know what Morphe brush this is. It came from a brush collection. I'm gonna insert the link down below to get to it. I'm gonna take some of this Airspun powder. So I'm just gonna put this on top of my lids. I freaking love Makeup Shayla so much. Like, she's so freaking poppin'. She's gang team, deep voice. We out here. I'm gonna start off with the color Culture, which is this like orangey brown color right here. Makeup Shayla is so inspiring to me because she's just about her money and her life and just living her best life and just having fun. I definitely feel like me and Makeup Shayla are very similar. Our whole makeup, if you go on my Instagram page, Beat by Ye, which is my makeup Instagram page, you can see like the similarities in our makeup. I feel like we do eyeshadows very, very similar. Next, I'm gonna go in with the color Thick. I'm just gonna go in the same area but a little bit lower and like into my crease. Okay, so now that I've done these two colors, I'm gonna go in with this Patrick Star Summer Collection palette. If you like to travel a lot, this is good for traveling. All these travel size palettes. Like when I go to Jamaica, best believe I'm taking these joints with me. So this brown right here, Mabuhay, I'm gonna take this, put a little bit. I broke my nail. I'm gonna get it right back. So I'm gonna go into this Jaclyn Hill palette and take this from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I'm gonna go back and just pop that orange. I'm gonna take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. So I have hooded eyelids. So for my hooded eyelids, what I like to do is, that's where I cut my crease. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna like stipple this eyeshadow out so it can like dry. But I'm gonna take Shut and Slay, and I'm probably gonna take the or TF, one of these golds, and I'm gonna do something with that. Shut and Slay is right here. I feel like you could use Fix Plus to make this more vibrant. This color is poppin'. I'm gonna use TF. I'm gonna put it in the front. So I'm gonna take Played Out and I'm gonna just press it to make this smoky a little bit. And this is typically how I do my eyeshadow. I don't put the smoked out color until the very end. So I'm gonna take my Becca Evermatte primer and I'm just gonna put it on the oiliest parts of my face. I'm gonna color correct with this orange tone shade and NC45. So I'm gonna take this orange color and this color right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte foundation in the color 355, which is coconut. This is the Morphe Gold, some collection from Morphe Cosmetics. I don't know the name of it. This is the Y7. I don't know if it's bad that I just use the matte foundation if I want to do a dewy look, but like my skin is too freaking oily and I still got other videos to record with this look after this. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Caramel. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with some Fix Plus. I kind of like to let this concealer sit on my skin for like 10 to 20 seconds a little bit. I'm gonna blend it out. To contour my face, I'm gonna use the Black Opal True Color foundation sticks, which look like these. I love Black Opal so much. It's so creamy. You're gonna have to set it, but it's like creamy and bomb. But I like to just dab the stick like that. And I just go around my forehead because I have a 6 head. So I just draw a line. And I draw another line. On top of this, I take Suede Mocha, which is a little bit darker. So I'm going to take the same body. This is a body blender from Real Techniques. I love this. I'm obnoxious and I like the big one versus the small one. And I'm going to go ahead and like kind of like press it down, like bounce it off the skin. So I'm also gonna go back in with this Y7 and just like go over everything and just kind of like that. So what I'm gonna use to set is the Sasha Buttercup powder. Looks like this. You can get it from the Sasha website or you can get it from Amazon. I like take the bottom part and I do it, but today I'm just gonna use this part and just set the oiliest, the most oily parts of my face. Dip it in, scrape off the excess and press the powder and a little bit my nose and like a little bit on my forehead. So when I was saying I get oily on my brows, my trick is I put setting powder on my eyebrows because my eyebrows sweat a lot. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe Y3 brush. I use it for blush and contour, and I'm gonna just shape out my contour. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side too. My 6 head looking like a forehead, and then I do like the bottom, this area right here. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe M527 powder brush, and I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NW43. Still full coverage powder, and I'm gonna like dust away this little line I created. Merge and blend all these colors together, you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to take the Y1 brush from Morphe, the gold brush collection, and I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette. This is the blush palette, the Saharan, This is the Saharan blush palette volume 2, and I'm going to take the color Tau right here. I used to like not fuck with blush, like I used to hate it. Now I feel like you just need blush to just warm your face up. This is from the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop collection. It's called Boomin' and Pose. These are loose powders. I freaking love them. I feel like when I tell you these joints is popping, honey, they is popping. I like to start off with Pose. It's a rose gold. I'm gonna take this Morphe Y1 brush right here and dip it into the Pose. I kind of like to smile a little bit and like press the highlight into my smile, because when I turn and when I pose, because I'm using Pose, so I use Pose first and I put Boomin' on top because this is Boomin', like she said. I put too much, but honey, I don't care. It looks so good, like yeah. And then I'm gonna take Pose and I'm gonna put it on my nose. I'm gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my lashes and then come back and then we can close out. So this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
Say me wind up the thing till it pile up. Big bumper girl just a wine and a wall up. Them a spoil me a stock till it pile up. My money no, so it my money. Do this like you mean it.